Also, I recall that in class Miss Paris told us that these are referred to as quadrantals. Now we're going to focus on the radians. For that, we need to know the formula of the circumference. Since we know that the radius of the unit circle is 1, we are left with the circumference. This means that 360 degrees equals 2 pi. The entire circle is equal to 2 pi. Half of the circle is pi. A quarter of the circle is going to be half of pi, or pi over 2. And finally, we have 3 pi over 2. For the first quadrant, the radians for the 40 degree is going to be pi over 4. For the 30 degree is going to be pi over 6. And for the 60 degree is going to be pi over 3. For the 30th degree radians, you can think of it as pi over 4 times 2/3, which is going to be the same as 2 pi over 12, or simplified, pi over 6. For the second quadrant, it's going to be the same, except the coefficient is going to be 1 less than the denominator. For the third quadrant, it is going to be the same, except the coefficient is going to be 1 more than the denominator. Now finally, for the fourth quadrant, it is going to be the same, except we are going to multiply the denominator by 2 and then subtract it by 1, and that's going to give us our coefficient.